Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Please come with me to Canva and let's make a motivational poster together. I bet you will love it and it doesn't even take time at all. So this is our Canva interface, and the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be going to use an Instagram post which is 1080 by 1080. Feel free to use any size of your own depending on where you want to actually display it. So I'll just click on this and then we're going to start. Before starting, I already had the element I'm going to use, which is something I've thought about. I said motivational poster, and of course, I will know what I want to achieve with it. So the first thing I'm doing here now is I'm going to go ahead and under my element, I have a recently used element, since I've designed it before. So definitely you should expect that is under my recently used. So now I'm going to be using this particular image here, and I'll click on this three dots for you to see the prompt you can use to search for it under your element. And what exactly are you going to search for? A woman climbing a mountain. So this is what I'm going to use. Click on this particular picture and drag it up. So once it has been dragged up, just ensure that is well placed. And the second one, why I'm using this climbing mountain and this other one, which is mountains in sunrise, is because I want it to speak a word of encouragement to someone that you are the only one limiting yourself to the top. So now each day gives a new hope. So I'm just going to click on this one. So you already know what to search for under your element in order to achieve the same results that I achieved. So after having those two image here, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll just go directly to my applications right there, because I want to use an app called Blend Image app in order to speed up my work. Of course, nobody wants to be wasting time over designing, since AI has made a lot of things easy. So this Blend Image app, click on it and you hold on for it to load. And of course, we're going to be using this particular first application over here, which is Blend Image. Click on it, and the first image I'll be choosing is this. There are two options here. For your bottom layer, you can either choose file or you use the selected image. So I'm going to be using this image, right? Then just click on use selected image, and for this top layer, come back here and click on this sunrise and use selected image. But if your image is actually under an upload, you have to click the second option. So now I am for this blend mode. If you check, you can see this drop down over here. You have the normal option, the darken, multiply, color burn. You have the lighting, screen, color dodge. Like, you have so many options to actually try out. Trust me, I've tried so many of it out, and I actually concluded on using the darken image, which is suitable for my design. So after I've clicked on darken, click on add to design, and you hold on to have it added to your design. So while you're waiting, okay, you can see that it has been added already. And of course, you're not going to use this. So what I usually do, or what I did here, was to click on add page. So once you click on add page, go back up and bring this particular image that was just added and use it on your new page. So this is what I'm doing. You're just going to enlarge the size to fit your own preference, like to suit. Just be creative with your design. Nobody knows it all. Everybody is just exploring it, and creativity does it all, right? Yes. So this is what we are doing. I'm just bringing it down. Of course, I want the mountain to show. I don't want a situation whereby the mountain is not showing my hair. So now I have it this way, and I think, yes, I like it. So the next thing, after adjusting it, the next thing I'm doing is I'm just going to type in some words of encouragement, which is Your only limit is you. Um, what you're doing is just click on this, and this particular symbol or icon, just drag it up in order for you to exit the application side. So we're going to go back to our test, and for this test I'm just going to use this particular test here that I had used before. So um what I'm doing here now is I'll bring it over here, and I'm going to type in your I'll be using a small your only limit is, and for this I'll leave it in caps lock and then make it you. So now I needed to increase the font of this, and then this particular one to increase the font a little. So I will go over to change the color of this U, because I feel like our blue will do the magic better. So yes, so I resolved on using this color, which is a little bit better and very neat. So after this is done, I'm just giving it a little adjustment, of course. I want it to be so beautiful. So now that I have done this, I'm not still going to leave it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and add a heading. For this heading, I will change the font to, I'll change the font to Benoro, and I'm going to type in rise above challenges. So I've typed in rise above challenges, click on the text color, and of course I'm going to change the color to white. That's the rise above, and those challenges I'm going to use a red color that depicts a particular situation, where you're in danger. So after I've done that, then I'm not going to leave it there. I'm going to bring it over here and come to this spacing and reduce the line spacing, of course, then bring it down again. So what I'm doing now is just to give it a little adjustment, which is perfect this way. So tell me why you want to use blend image app on Canva to actually make your poster. Of course, you don't have to go through so much stress. And this word is actually saying something to someone out there, that the only limit you have is just you. So once you are done, click on the share and download it. Increase the size if you're on Pro, and have it downloaded. Thank you so much for watching. I believe this has passed a message across to you that you are the only limit to your progress, to your achievement, everything. You are the only limit that you have. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it to subscribe. Check out other videos on the channel, please. You'll find a lot of videos, tutorials on Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Canva tutorial, designs, poster, flyer, anything else. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.